Hello guys, my name is Glory from Eco Inverter and Solar Energy. I want to introduce you to our complete 5 kVA solar system. This is a 5 kVA hybrid inverter powered by 5 kilowatts lithium ion battery. This battery comes with 5 years warranty and it will last you up to 2 years. This package is going for the sum of 2,350,000 naira. With this, you'll be giving 5 kVA hybrid inverter. You'll also be giving 5 kilowatt lithium ion battery. You'll also be giving 6 units of 600 watt solar panel. Let me show you. You'll be giving 6 units of 600 watt solar panel. This panel is an original panel. It will charge your battery very full. This system is going for the price of 2,350,000 naira. With 2,350,000 naira, you power your basic home appliances, your TV, your fans, your lighting, your laptop, your washing machine, your air conditioner. This system will do exactly what you want from you. Note, installation and logistics is not included. For more information, contact us. You can also come to our office. Our office is not far from AIT. Thank you.